Welcome to this gorgeous home located at 27381 Via Parato in San Juan Capistrano, California. This incredible home resides behind the private gated community of Rancho Madrina. And what I love most about this home is its location. You have views of the rolling hills of San Juan Capistrano, Marbella Golf Course, and even the Mission, where you can actually hear the bells from your very backyard. Now this is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath. You do have a loft and an additional office. This is on a 12,000 square foot lot. This is my favorite floor plan in this entire community. I can't wait to show you this home. Let's go take the tour. We're walking into the primary bedroom. It's on the main floor. You can see it's very spacious. There's beautiful views and it's so private and peaceful here. We are in the great room, and isn't this room grand? Now behind me is the primary bedroom. On the second wing of the home is 3 additional secondary bedrooms. As you can see, this room is very spacious. You've got your living room and your dining room. This is an incredible floor plan. I love this backyard. It's oversized. You have a pool, a barbecue area. You even have a little grassy area for your pets or having your kids play. Folks, this is an absolutely stunning home. I want to buy it. If you have interest in viewing this home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.